go ahead and clench. Clench again.
So, Dr. Berger, how long this procedure lasts? How often the patient needs to repeat the procedure?
So neurotoxin like Botox, Dysport, or Xeomin usually lasts approximately 3 months or so. So I usually have the patient come back in for a retreatment between 3 and 4 months. Okay, so just a touch more on this side, and then I'll just put a little on the other. So clench again. And now I'll just move around to the other side. Clench. Okay, and so that completes masseter treatment with neurotoxin. Of course, here at Northeast Medical Practice, we also use neurotoxin for wrinkles of the forehead and between the eyes and the crow's feet around as well. So if you have questions, if you're interested in treatment, please give us a call or visit our website at www.northeastmedicalpractice.com. The phone number is 516-604-3418. See you next time.
Thank you.